Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all you foodies out there. We're diving into the world of vegan casseroles, and we've got 3 mouth-watering recipes to share with you. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Vegan sweet potato and black bean casserole. Our first recipe is a vegan sweet potato and black bean casserole. It's packed with flavors and nutrients. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of corn kernels, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of vegan cheese, optional. Transfer this mixture into a baking dish. If you like, sprinkle vegan cheese on top. Pop it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, until the sweet potatoes are tender and the top is golden brown. And there you have it, our vegan sweet potato and black bean casserole. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a cozy dinner. Let's move on to the next recipe. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.